Have a good time with your Bitcoin, your crypto, and everything else that you're playing with.
There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right? There's no second best, okay?
Boy, that escalated quickly.
Here comes Bitcoin, shooting up the chart with great speed, breaking into new highs now. Bitcoin has passed 75,000, now passing 80,000. Bitcoin is on a run like we've never seen. Can't believe it, $100,000. Bitcoin has done it!
Hey traders, welcome to the early stream. Seems just like, I don't know, a few hours ago I was live, and yeah, we're hitting all-time highs just seconds ago. We just hit the highest level we've ever seen, which is now $106,988.52. So that is 107K. Still have my alert set up there. So good to see y'all again. Yeah, they pulled it back. For what? Pretty nice to see. Look at the 4 hour. Look at this. Right, we broke the heart line. What'd they do? They pushed it down to back test what was once this beautiful level of resistance, just a bunch over and over, and it flipped to support. Then Wall Street has taken it to new heights now. Michael Saylor, what did we just say yesterday? Yesterday. He acquired more. It will be announced today or tomorrow, and there we are. Okay, MicroStrategy alert going off. That MicroStrategy is now at the highs of the day. Very nice. Highs of day. We knew this one was probably going to have a good one. It's up 5% now, $429.54. And remember we talked about that psychological 420 mimetic support. Yeah, they're going to write a new chapter on mimetic support resistances. 420, Tesla, MicroStrategy. Look at it. They test. There's an unfilled gap. 409, another unfilled gap at 376, but 420 is. Dude, there's nothing here, okay? It's just a meme. It's just a joke, but it's support. Excuse me. Make sure this is one, so we're good. Let's just delete it. We're good. Maybe if it keeps going, we'll have another alert set up. This is highs of day at 5.3% now. Starting to catch up. I mean, whatever. It's outperforming Bitcoin, of course, but you're just thinking, man, like right off its all-time high. Remember, this is the golden mean ratio up there. I mean, down 20% off its highs. Sorry about the audio, man. That was probably a little loud. Give me an audio check, dude. I have to have these. I have to have audio checks. I made sure my mic is the real one, right? Right here. Hello? Can you hear me? We're good. Chat looks a little lit. I mean, for real, if it's not lit, something's wrong. Like, I might be not connected. Sound is great. Little static. Really? Well, it is Bluetooth. Or Wi-Fi. Or it's Bluetooth, yep. Yeah, white noise is going to happen, man, because it's not like a Joe Rogan podcast mic. It's literally this, and it's wireless. We're not there yet. We got to wait till 2030 for sound canceling Bluetooth Joe Rogan mics, apparently. I don't know how I would change it. Anyway, we're at all-time highs right now, chat. Right now, I'm speaking to you. Do you get it? Do you understand, man? What? Don't know why. Here we go. 107,000. It's happening right now.
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because
do you get it?
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store.
So yeah, just nonchalantly
We call them poor.
hitting our highest level ever, and I'm trying to navigate here. Figured, like, you know, I got a late checkout. I got time to go live. Why would I not during this historic moment? And I'm glad some of y'all are here. Probably not going to be as crazy as it was last night. I think we had like, what, 2,100, 2,200 people. But it's like, this is a random stream time, so you just can't expect too much, even with all crazy all-time highs like this. So I get it. We have, what do we got? We got about 550 of y'all in here now, but the stream just started, right? I mean, 7 minutes ago. So maybe more people will trickle in, maybe not. I don't care. You checking your portfolio today? I am, and it's unbelievable. It's freaking nuts. Look at this 12-hour candle right now. I mean, we are at the highs. And like, right, if you care about the channel at all, it was gonna do it today at 108.8. So what, another $1,800 to test the supply line here. And this is all we have, man. There's nothing else here. You broke 105, then 110. You break 110, 115, 115, 120. I would say like the zeros are more, you know, psychologically important than the fives. So it's like you break 10, you're probably going to 120. You break 120, you're probably going to 130. You know, so you can see how 105 was there, but we just didn't spend much time at it before now being, you know, over $2,000 above the psychological 105. So yeah, you would think all roads lead to 110 or at least 109. Okay. And guess what? Altcoins, meh. I mean, really. Altcoins are just meh, man. Like, I mean, XRP's going now, you know. Okay, so kind of like maybe the flag was breaking, and I think this will probably go higher eventually. You know, it's like, no one's surprised. It's hard to manage risk up here. It's just been gone, you know. It's up hundreds of % in a month. You'd think like if you were targeting for this at least 287, 291, just the, you know, early December highs, that would be your target. And if they broke that, well then, if they broke that, then all-time highs, you know, 330, 332, repeating, of course, would be probably your target after that. But really nice to see this one wake back up. Chat, all-time highs as I'm speaking to you, $107,150. Fresh. You know, I just had some freshly squeezed orange juice, freshly squeezed shorts across this market. Imagine being short Bitcoin, which I'm sure there were. There were people. I wonder how many liquidations have happened today. It's nasty. Yeah, so here's some depressing news, chat. Remember, we were looking at Ethereum over $4,000 yesterday. Guess what? It's below $4,000. It's just bad, man. That Bitcoin dominance and the Ethereum pair to Bitcoin chart really was telling, and it prophesized today. Right? Remember Ethereum paired against Bitcoin, where it was confirming a top at resistance, in a very real multi-year downtrend. And here you go. Ethereum paired against Bitcoin, currently trading at its lowest level of December, lowest level since November 30th, right now. This is very, very bearish price action. And then you get this little bonus local peak right there where they couldn't even test it again, sign of weakness. So this is, you know, par for the course. There is nothing surprising about this. You would just think that, like, hey, it would rally. It is rallying. It's not even rallying today. That's what's bad about it. You were better off sticking to Bitcoin. But I think eventually Ethereum will catch bids to the US dollar, against the US dollar, but it will just sadly continue to descend against the hardest money known to man. And you got a target down here of like 3 million Satoshis. So there's, oh my God, ACHR. Are you kidding me, dude? Glad I still got some moonbag of that. You got 17% downside Ethereum. Paired against Bitcoin. ACHR, my God, dude, this thing's a beast. Look what they did. 1 and 2 here. And now the target's 977. The third target of the trade setup is about to be tested again. And they'll probably break it this time. Because this is deeper than just the trade setup, right? This is Archer Aviation. They're going to be changing the world with their technology, right? Their AI ships. And this is the future. This is the future of aviation, Archer. Okay? I mean, you got analysts, I got wealth management people I know, they're talking $30 Archer at some point. Like, not, you know, not really, doesn't have to be tomorrow, but they got really big long-term high targets on this. And once that 977 level breaks, dude, I mean, $10 psychological, right? But above that, man, you're talking all-time highs, 1859, and this is crazy. This is probably a good investment at this point. Forget the trade. That's some serious good price action right there. One low, the higher low, confirming what was once support resistance as support. And now you're catching fall through price action. That's very real. Good stuff. All right, highs of day up 6%, and it was up 17% on Friday. Beautiful. Sorry, man. This is a not conventional type of stream. Mobile streams. Music stopped. Still turn on. R2D2, thank you, dude, for the whatever. Thanks. All right. Anyway, I was just coming here because my alert went off, and you know, this is holds a special place in my heart, and I think other people's hearts. Okay, so we can go back to the cryptos, look at them. You know, BNB, looking good, looking fine. Just not, it's not its day, right? It's not the BNB show today. It's still the Bitcoin show today, and soon $800, $900, $1,000 probably. And then just flat. It's up 0.21%. Solana, oof, another test today of the very real 2021 peak. So maybe they don't hold it. It's not looking strong. It's looking kind of pukey. I don't know, man. It's like, see that mega, you know, markdown, bearish engulfing candle, lowest level since December 10th, and they're recapturing it. But dude, just a bunch of lower highs. Maybe they'll take it to an 886 here, and you'll get some sort of M-shape completion. That's down to like 205. 206. But yeah, for now, just all you got is 216 as support, and you better pray they hold it, because if not, you know, going to the next leg down. Yikes. Okay. Yeah, very, very disappointing on some of these bigger alt. Well, this one anyway. But you know, disappointing. Are you kidding me? Entry 136, exit 259.90. That's it. That was the trade. It hasn't done crap since the trade setup hit its third target, and that's what's so beautiful about it, right? That's silver lining of traders market. Dogecoin flat today. You know, just hard to manage risk in between two levels. Looking fine. Just, it's not its day. It's not the dog's day. It's the Bitcoin day. Chat, are you here? Does everything look okay? The audio quality decent at least. Mediocre's fine. Just want to make sure I'm coming in clearly. Okay, we're Picking up steam a little bit. 760 y'all here. If you don't know, if you're just tuning in, about 250 y'all just tuned in. We hit an all-time high on Bitcoin. We got to 107, 172.91. Beautiful. Breathe heavier. Yeah, that's the problem, man. Like I hate, like, it's so close to me that you can hear everything, man. The bellows of my lungs, whatever. QBTS mooning. Yeah, that's been mooning, right? I mean, quantum computing is a meta now. Look at this thing. D-Wave Quantum. This was a trade setup. Godlike trade setup, chat. I mean, what do you want? It was gorgeous. It's gone. I mean, the target from here really is like 817. You still have almost $2 to go for an overhead resistance. You just can't act like this wasn't a thing, though. Try to find it real quick. Oh, thanks, dude. Yeah, dude, we did it, man. Yeah. Find it somewhere. Yeah, here it was. Look at this thing, man. Look at it. Do you see? It was just the harmonic framework, but the really nice classic accumulation. And on the third valley, they recaptured this key level from January 2023. That was how we strategized it. The stop loss just somewhere below it near that third valley. Whatever. If you're following that, if you're getting stopped out, something's wrong at this point. Okay? And it just hits the third target and just keeps going, because that's how sometimes it happens, right? But beautiful. You gotta be kidding me. NFT worthy. Types up. You know, some of these altcoins, VeChain, GRT, they're on that third valley with the same M shape completing. And guess what? They've begun to do what this is doing. It's kind of crazy. Different markets, but same price actions, but same structures. Anyway, fantastic stuff. Archer has yet to do this. Archer, I think, will. You know, Archer, this third target, breaks it, it's just going to be gone. 18 bucks. Oh, and then NVIDIA, you know, it's probably recovered some, because oh, no, it has not. Oh my God, chat. Breaking news, breaking news. This is such a pretty structure for now, right? It really is. But the neckline being broken, and look, they could come back power hour or later today and push this thing back above. It could close below and tomorrow recapture it immediately, and it's fine. It's a false breakdown. So you got to be really mindful of what they did in the past with the same exact pattern. Right? It was the same head and shoulders, and this is where we are right now. We're like at the, oh no, they've broken the neckline, dude. It's all over for NVIDIA. So we must wait. It is not about the breakdown itself. It's about the fall through price action after the breakdown. And we don't even know if it's a real breakdown yet, because the data hasn't closed, right? We got to have a daily close below the neckline. You never got that in October of last year, so we're going to find out and see if we're going to get it for real. It could be. But what's kind of concerning is the weekly. That bearish divergence, man, is just makes you want to vomit. Continue in the RSI. I mean, just that is buyer exhaustion to the maximum degree. I mean, think about it. On the weekly, they could take this all the way down to 110, and it's still fine, man. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to get this situated appropriately. Yeah, that lighting behind me is kind of annoying. Maybe I should close my blinds. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close my blinds. Hold on a sec. It doesn't matter. I can still talk to y'all while I'm like walking. I'm up. Isn't this crazy? I'm like, over here, man. It's not a green screen. It's not a green screen. Oh, the sun's starting to pop out. Okay. Much nicer. Okay. Amazing. So yeah, we're off the highs on Bitcoin, but that's okay. But I'm just concerned. It could just pivot and run, dude. Look, they could hold the level last support from August, and it was all a bad dream. We triple bearish divergence it up at 160 plus. But for now, I'm just concerned until price action presents itself that would make me not be that concerned. Okay. Dude, everyone calm down, okay? Good Lord. Why am I in a hotel? Because I'm traveling right now. That is why. Amir, that's not a project, that's a scam, okay? That's a grifter that does grifter things, right? Correct, yes. Grifters create crypto scams to enrich themselves, and they victimize their viewers. That's what they do, okay? If you are watching someone who's a YouTuber who starts a crypto project, they're scamming you. You are exit liquidity for them to enrich themselves. That's it. They are not programmers. They are not geniuses. They don't have some breakthrough technology, some revolutionary entity. They're scamming you. So don't call it a project. It's a scam. Another grift. My God, man, I can't even believe. I can believe it. I can certainly believe it. That's right, MicroStrategy flywheel. You're right, man. Never going to stop. But my alert has not gone off. We're not at fresh highs on MicroStrategy. We'll go back to it then. You know, let's look at maybe some gainers today. R, okay, R is good. It somehow gapped down. Crazy. 34 cents to fill the gap. In some weird world, that's real. But anything above 25 cents on R equals most likely 40 cents again. So I'm optimistic on and hidden bullish divergence on R coin. So this is actually looking really good. Stop loss below 24 cents, somewhere 24.1 cents, and let this thing ride probably. This thing's good. I like an R. Remember, the trade setup pretty much concluded. Target 1, target 2 hit. All right, I mean, TRX is up today, 2.8%, but just way off its highs. Tweezer top reversal, December 4th, 3rd and 4th, 45 cents. Just putting in its highest low, right? This is crazy. It reminds me a little bit of Archer, but whatever. Lind is in its own world. It's been outperforming all the altcoins, most altcoins anyway. Already hit a 50% retrace from its May 2021 all-time high to its low. I mean, a 50% retrace is amazing. Most altcoins haven't even come close to that yet. I mean, like Cardano, even after its crazy 200% pump in a month, still has barely, it has almost hit the 382, but not even. So this is like a fib node above that. So crazy. Lind, it was really a front runner. I mean, it was where everything was uncertain, kind of looked weird. Somehow Lind was doing it while others weren't. Highcoin, another successful trade setup, part 2. We've had 2 successful setups. First successful setup was here in October last year. What a freaking trade. And this one, another fantastic, perfect trade where even with all the, you know, liquidation event for all the cryptos, altcoins, this one was, you know, stood alone. Stood on its own. And it's continuing to rise. Chainlink's up 1% today. Sitting up there, but that, I mean, that is the gist, the absolute gist of performance today in the crypto space. Cardano's up, you know, almost 1%, whatever. Pretty, I mean, this is just not a big deal, not like remarkable. It's just nothing. It's just like, wow, it is the Bitcoin show, and that's it. And look what's happening. Wow, chat, we have a big development on Bitcoin's daily. We have not seen positive momentum on Bitcoin on the daily since November 25th until today. Of all days, today. Monday, December 16th, 2024. So let us see if the positive momentum will continue to build. That would be wonderful. Get a lot of it. A lot higher prices. At least, again, 108.7. 108.7 is going to be the top of the channel map. What's up, Brentus?
Brentus tipped $39.65, but Moose scam S coin on a BTC breakout day. Lion Mex looks like some good TA. 0.010000000 ETH.
Brentus, thank you, man. Oh yeah, Moose scam, it was weird. LAI? Does it? Are you sure? Alright, I'll take your word for it. But if it's not good TA, you want it on Mex. I mean, yeah. It's like a big old M shape kind of, whatever. Hold on, never been here, because why would I have been here? There's your level. Swing left in 2023, nice test in 2024 before mooning. Another test. It's okay. That's definitely the top. So the issue is risk management. It's very difficult to manage risk appropriately here because you know the levels. We're looking at the levels, okay? It's either 8.9 tenths of 1 cent or 2.1 cents. You are at 1.5 cents. That is the freaking dead middle. So you flip your coin, you know, how do you set up a stop loss that makes sense here? You can't. Because this thing could drop 10% and still be technically fine. And it'd even be closer to the level you're looking for to long. So, yeah, I mean, maybe they're starting to put in some hidden divergence, but it's still coin flippish, man, right here. Whether, like, you know, probably long term it'll be good, or mid term it'll be all right, but it could definitely dump 10% and really wouldn't be weird or abnormal. Key levels wouldn't be broken. If it dropped 10-15%, it'd still be fine. And that's the issue with an asset that's at the dead middle of 2 mega levels. All right. I have concerns. Candle high close back from 2023. It was obviously regarded as resistance. So it's, yeah, you are in the middle, and so cool, but I don't know how you would trade this efficiently or appropriately, right? With the framework, you know, you'd be like, dude, it's a 3 rising valleys or something, but if it goes a little lower, I just, you know, I don't see I can't tell if the third valley's actually in yet, or if it's just gonna go a little bit lower, you know, like it's tough here. So thank you for the contribution, man. Yep. Close short at 1 cent or less is the better for entries and strategizing stop losses, you know. Am I not here? What are you talking about? Am I gone? What the? Sometimes I get freaked out about some things y'all say. Because I can't, you know, I have only 2 screens here and I can't see everything. I do not have the Tower of Barad-dûr at my disposal right now. Yeah, we can, you know, BTBT, everyone's scared, sad about BTBT. Look, man, Composite Man just wants your shares. I'm just telling you. Yep, you're like, oh no, it's over for BTBT, but looks like the same structure that Archer's putting in, where it looks like, oh no, it's the, you know, we're screwed, and then they come in and somehow put in another higher low locally. It's one low, the second low maybe at this demand line, and then it rips. We don't know if it's going to happen for sure, but I mean, just why would the Composite Man have an ongoing, you know, buying campaign probably since September 2023 and not get paid on it? So I think it's just patience. It's the only thing you could say here. It's worth holding some. I mean, you don't have to be all in on it, dude. Like, you shouldn't be all in on anything, but like, I know people, this is the way people are before huge resolution occurs. I mean, even on trade setups that haven't played out yet, people are you sure? I don't know, man. Is that like real? And then it blows up, and then no one ever complains again. No one said, but then they start complaining about new setups. Are you sure? I don't know, man. So all I can say is patience. You know, it's disappointing, and above 440, 445 is the promised land. We're just hoping it holds here. Yeah, BB AI is insane too. Yeah, some of these miners, some are doing better today than this one, for sure. I mean, my God, dude. Kidding me? Bit deer, baby. Unreal structure. And now it is at its highest level ever. Not all miners created equal. Please do not act like you cannot read that. Look, I appreciate, you know, acting like you can't read, but it's right there on the TV where my hand is. I mean, I don't monetize. Remember, I don't start crypto scams and rug pull you chat. I don't do that and call it a project. I don't monetize on YouTube. I've never had a sponsor in my life voluntarily. I'm crowdsourced 100%. So therefore, the catch is this. And that's a really fair trade-off. To you not watching advertisements. To you not getting affiliate marketing links shoved down your throat. To you not possibly, me rug pulling you with scam projects. ACHR again, dude. It's going. My God, dude. Heading back to 977. See you there probably today. This is insane. And once it breaks, man, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Archer. 1060 probably. Yep. Crazy stuff, man. The bit deer is a king. But it's not the only king today. I mean, Wolf, remember this one? Really, it's been just consolidating tightly. It's going to result. 1079 is a target now. That 236. That's right. Higher price. I mean, it's up 14%, but it just looks like, you know what they're doing? They're just doing this, man. Oh, look, it's like one bottom, and it's the second bottom, and it's an 886. So you know what they're doing. It's the bullish wave structure. It's this thing. Oh, my God. 1618 only. Target. There it is. 1079. How about 1120? That's what you got. A deep crab in the making. Psychotically bullish on Wu-Tang. Wolf-Tang. All right? Higher prices soon, man. Yeah, Riot's up today. Same little 1, 2. The confirmation lows. Local confirmation lows getting put in, and it's really nice to see. Okay? That is spectacular stuff. Target 1672, 1763. This is really nice. Going for the highest daily close since November 12th. Wow, okay. So over a month high. Cypher, it looks good. I mean, coiling up, getting ready. Bull flag, dude, pretty much, right? Just bull flag in. They break 973. 973 target on Cypher mining. Hut. Going for its highest daily candle close, my God, since March of 2022. And butting up against a resistance soon. And if they break that, it'll be easy run to $41.50 to $45. Comcast, oh my God! Up in the chat! Did they take fees? Were you going for 107 because we hit 107? Or are you going for the current price of Bitcoin?
Comcast tipped $106.97. Appreciate the trade setups and education. May we all be blessed with high speeds.
Well, Comcast, are you sure you can provide us with high speeds? Because I've heard things. Back in college, I had to use y'all, and there were some problems. So I'm hoping you are the provider of those high speeds. Thank you, dude. For the almost, I'm not sure if you were going for the, please let me know in the chat what you were trying to do there. I like it. What happened? Did chat die? Chat died, dude. What the? We're at 106.8 and chat's dead. Or maybe my chat's broken. I'm not sure. Mr. Khan, you're okay, dude. It's okay. But, people like, it's just every stream I feel like, someone's trying to like get one past me. Like, dude, you're acting like it's not there, but it's always been there. But thank you, and sorry. It's cool. Miscommunication. We're good. Water under the London Bridge. It is all in the River Thames. BTBT Bit Farms. Hey man, I know it's heart rate monitor. It's testing your last nerve, but they're still holding above the key 206 level. Okay, nothing really to look at. SDIG. And this is a setup. A 408. Shoot, man, since October, it's just been dead. And you think like eventually 770, 930, 1250, but it's just win bids. I don't know. So they're just not really catching the bids, man. They're heavily shorted. 20%. Most of these have 20% short interest, okay? The overall float of the stocks, 20% of those stocks are short, you know, just traded short. So I think that's suppressing the price for sure. Mara up 8.3% today, but in the end, just kind of spinning its wheels. Same price as November 11th, same price as July, same price as December 2023. I mean, that's not an investment, man. That's pretty tough, isn't it? Yeah, man, rough stuff. IREN, though, very promising. You know, this is an active setup. I mean, this was posted back in September, dude. So, long time coming. I think one of the targets of the 3 has been hit now. But you think patient enough, you'll probably get 18, and then eventually probably 27. The trend is your friend. You're making higher highs, higher lows, and looking strong. Probably going for another 1560 test again. That's a big deal. Hive really just lagging today, up 4.7%. But they're trying to put in a local low here, almost like a little dragon, 1 and 2 bottoms. Okay, it's not bad. If they break 429, that's where really big stuff can happen. Huge runs to 550. Meh. Core Scientific, that was one that was just going to all-time highs. You know, it's just maybe they're holding it. You know, it's like a little range between 18 and 1540 now. Nice little inverted hammer, Morningstar reversal, catching some fall off the other day. Nice. This one's been doing well. And then Clean Spark, which, man, it's fine technically. It's not in trouble till it starts falling below 976. But yeah, disappointing. That's the term, man. Disappointment for the Bitcoin miners. They're not like in any way now playing ball with Bitcoin. They're not like, hey, I want exposure to Bitcoin, so I'm going to buy Bitcoin miners. You lose in a way, right? Outside of like BitDeer and Wolf. Oh my God. Dude, thanks so much for the 50. Holy crap. Leroy Jenkins in the chat. Yeah, do it right now. For your TTSMs.
It's the BTC show, Oren. Plaza, take a look at Sold Condeath.
Yep. Remember, last time we looked at it was Thursday, Friday, last stream. Not yesterday, but the last stream before it. We looked at this and I said, I'm no longer feeling good about this. This looks more like Wyckoff distribution now. I feel more bearish on this because the new data was this right here. This is a lower high than this high, below the 200 moving average, and it's starting to play out more and more, down almost 5% today, nearing the bottom of the range. If this range breaks, major markdown. Okay, so no longer feeling good about Solana paired against Bitcoin. So that means I think that if we're witnessing Wyckoff distribution on this, Bitcoin will continue to outperform the living crap out of Solana to paired against the US dollar. Yep, so the gains that Bitcoin makes will continue to outperform Solana. Very bad, boys. Very, very bad. Something's changed. Demand line broke. It looked okay. Ascending triangle and note lower high, and now rolling over at lowest price seen since June. Everyone have their alerts set up on this one below 1.9 or 19638. That's it. You hear that beep? Really bad stuff's happening.
Thanks again for always showing up on these pump streams. Can we take another look at Mother USD on MEXC or whatever?
Or whatever. Thank you, dude. Yeah, of course. We will look at that. Is TTS and audio, music levels good? Everything? Chat. Thank you, Captain of Crypto. Captain of Crypto can't afford to tip. We know that for sure. Did someone ask about Jellyfish Coin? Oh my God, someone did. Chat, someone unironically. Solid community project. Sure, dude. Said every scammer known to man. Dude, our community has a good project. It's called Jellyfish Coin. Come on, dude. Buy our coin. Get involved with our cult, or you're just a fudster hater, bro. You're a hater. Because you don't like jellyfish. You don't put your money in jellyfish, you're a hater. Okay, what was it? It was Mother. Yeah, that was a great technical setup. My God, dude. I know Mother Iggy scam, but and you know it's still good here. But like when bids, it may fail. It could. You just don't know. We don't act like we know if an asset's going, you know, to go up or not. We just can identify structures that increase our probability marginally. And so this one has yet to resolve to the upside. It could just be putting in another valley, which would be good if it's a higher low than the previous low. But dude, altcoins are just not catching the bids right now, man. It is the Bitcoin show and could remain the Bitcoin show for a while. But yeah, beautiful M shape, beautiful type 2 return, beautiful hidden bullish divergence on the type 2. One low, a second low, a third low, major third low, but no bids. And the bids may never come in because it's Mother Iggy Azalea coin. It's a joke, it's a scam. But dude, it's not our job, okay? We identify these because it helps us construct optimal risk management strategies. That's what these are for. I mean, that's the whole crypto market, in my view. Yes, they're all scams, just about outside of a few. Yeah, 99% of crypto is a scam. But hey, man, if these scams can show us bottoming structures over a year, and they give us confirmation lows and higher lows and positive price action correlation to key levels from history, you can construct a trading plan to take on minimal losses if it failed, but with maximum upside if it succeeded. That's what we're doing. That's all we do here. We're not doing projections and my target for June of 2025 is none of that. It's all bullcrap. That's grifting. Because no one knows that, okay? No one actually knows. And they'll act like they know, but they don't know crap. Here, we don't know crap. All we know is the framework to give ourselves an increased probability of a particular outcome and to manage our risk optimally. That's all we do here. Okay, so that's your mother coin. You know, I wish there was more to talk about. Bitcoin's 106.8, and mother coin needs some love, I guess. Captain of Crypto, is that okay? I think that was the last request. Get wrecked. So that increased to 25, worked. Okay, so I'm not getting butthole coin requests now, thankfully. So as we wait on Bitcoin to maybe do something more, RGTI also just freaking gone. Another quantum computing stock up against overhead resistance. This candle high closes back from May 2022. Absolutely insane. Okay. This one in QBTS, Quantum Wave. Godlike. After that, we got Weight Watchers. Weight Watchers, bro. Who cares what it does? It's a loser. But yeah, it could run, man. It could have a run and a downtrend, and it could shock the world. Yeah, apparently Ozompeg, you know, the direct competitor to Weight Watchers, because Weight Watchers are like, hey man, let's just do it the traditional way, the 20th century way. Let's count our calories and not eat more than 2,000 a day, or whatever, 1,800, 1,600 if you're a woman, I don't know. Let's do it like that. And then Ozompeg's like, let's just stick ourselves with chemicals. Apparently Ozompeg study, you know, we're learning more about it, and apparently it causes vision loss. Who knows what else we're gonna find out about Ozompeg in the future? Crazy. So Weight Watchers, I think that'll be probably good for Weight Watchers long term. The more we learn about Ozompeg, all right? ABGO had earnings and shoot, dude, just freaking nuts. Well, you know, again, 786 butterfly minimum threshold was the 1272. It could go to the 1618. Already exceeded the 1618, man. That's what it hit on Friday. That's beautiful. Just hopping now. And what's the hop? Scott Carney talks about a 1.9. And you're at the hop right now of a butterfly. Crazy. Nice earnings, man. Semiconductors too. So it's like crazy. The animal spirits are going into Broadcom. I'm sorry, Soflo, I couldn't hear you. I'm a tad bit deaf in all ears. Thank you. Yeah, Micron up 7.2%. This is what we're talking about. The neutrality of this one. It was bullish, you know. Was it gonna hold 96 and run? We didn't know. It was such a freaking coin flip because there were arguments on both sides, but why it was, you know, the bullish argument was they're defending this level as support. Okay, they've defended it successfully, and they're just running it today. Unfilled gap though, right below it, no volume. And earnings is coming up on 2 days from now, Wednesday. So I don't know, man. Shoot, dude, coin flips within coin flips now. And the bearish argument was, well, they dumped it, and then it's like confirmation of distribution. One high, the second high, much lower than the highest high. So yeah, this is just very hard to do much because of earnings coming up in 2 days, and there was an argument for sellers and buyers on this one. So Foot Locker. Old Foot Locker, man. Reverse off that bear shark. But it's up, man. It's up, dude. Oh, you know what? Too deep here for any M shape. I don't know, man. I wouldn't. No action. I'm just looking at some assets that are up. Well, look at Tesla. Let's freaking go, dude. Tesla, godlike. What's the first target? 500. $500. From the high to the low, the 1272 fib extension. Oh, BTBT chat. Highs of day, I believe. Remember, composite operator just wants your last remaining shares of BTBT. He's keeping it down because he wants you to exit and FOMO into Bitcoin spot, or to exit and FOMO into, you know, QBTS or Tesla or something. He just wants you out. He wants your shares. He wants you to panic because you're just not making the yield you want. But I'm telling you, if you're just patient enough, you're gonna get the yields. Okay, now what we got? Wave structure. Bullish freaking wave structure. This stuff, man. Okay, I own a lot of this. Not like, you know, irresponsible, just I own like a lot. People be like, dang, man, you own that. Wow, that's a lot of money, dude. Like, I own this. I'm not concerned about it. I'm not looking at it. I'm good. This is the composite man's game. All right, we are on the very end of his accumulation campaign, his buying campaign. And we're going to get paid $855, $950. We're riding his coattails. Can you hear me, chat? Is this on? Microphone good? Okay. Yeah, there you go. We took a gander at Tesla. Video falling, really? Well, that's all we do, Carter. We ride the coattails of the whales. The whales are the composite operators, right? Composite operator. He's painting this. We're identifying his painting. And we're going to ride it. Yeah, Palantir's been all the buzz, man. It's been going nuts. All-time highs. What fib extension are we? Are we at a 1618 or 1414? We exceeded the 1618. Shoot, man. In fact, they're back testing the 1618. I wouldn't touch this. You can't now. It's crazy. And it was earnings. Earnings breakaway gap, and it's just been running nonstop. But, you know, again, if you want an edge, ever, you will never, in no reality will you ever have an edge when an asset is in impulse mode. There are only two phases of the market: consolidation phase, impulse phase. The only time you'll ever have an edge is in consolidation phase, and it's not even guaranteed you'll have an edge in consolidation phase. Oh yeah, the super secret Nancy Pelosi hip breaking phase. True that. Make some coffee here. It's actually fresh this time. It's not stale old coffee. Did you hear that? Did that sound super ASMR? Coffee pouring, TA, ASMR. Is Ethereum going for it? No, it's not. Not really. A little bit of cream. Anyone want cream? Okay, no cream. MicroStrategy's still up there, man. Very close to its highs. Woof. Dude, what if they did it? So I had some MicroStrategy U calls. Not like crazy, but you know, it happened. It split today, a 10-to-1 split actually on MSTU. And so I no longer have calls. I just have a crap load of shares now of MSTU. Weird. Let me show you. I was like, what is happening? All right, so it was $181. It would be $181 right now. Look, it says it's down 98.89%. I don't know, Michael, did I? Chill with the shenanigans in the chat. Mo Betta, fantastic, man. Congrats. It was a beautiful, beautiful setup, man. Like, one for the ages. It should have been. If NFTs weren't dead, I'd be minting so many of these as NFTs, but the thing is, I would mint them, and no one even in here, y'all are not part of the NFT world. A lot of people don't have a MetaMask. They wouldn't participate because it's not a thing anymore. Yeah, people are continuing to buy Bitcoin for their reserves, and it's beautiful. So do you think, like, we got hidden bullish divergence, bottoming base put in at 1286, and you wonder, will they fill the gap, or are they just going to run this thing and we're going to make an 886, which would be at like 29 bucks? Good God, that would be wild. So technically, like, MSTU is up today 11% plus, over 11%. Bitcoin's back over 107,000, chat. You know, we've taken a little break. I've been live now for a few minutes, right? I've been live for 52 minutes. I think Bitcoin took like a 40-minute break. Because, I mean, as the intro was going, we were hitting all-time highs. The first 5 minutes of the stream, we were hitting fresh all-time highs. And never since then, so... Oh, maybe it's... I was just doubling. You can't tell. I can't tell because it's all screwed up because of the split. It says down 98.89%, whatever, you know. Yeah, let's go to coin real quick. Another crypto stock. It's okay. It's up 3.89%. I mean, you know, you're buying at premium, right? You're not really buying strategically up here, unless you had a tight stop below 305, 303, around there, and let it ride. But it's just like upsloping consolidation, kind of. Kind of reminds me of Dogecoin. Yeah. Not great, not terrible. I mean, if it actually is gonna look, they did back test 306. I mean, if it's a real back test and it's like gonna catch fall after the back test, I mean, your target's legit like 350 again, but I don't know if they're gonna do it.
Can you check Berthold Pulse chain? Just kidding. How's AMC doing? Stopped out, I think. Will top $5 more.
Claudia, thanks, dude. Yeah, it crapped out. Istophobic. Wow, that was a... Claudia just one-upped you. I don't know, did you one-up him? Because he was $4.99, you were $5. I don't know, that's weird. Thank y'all. At the same time. 2 super chats at the same time, man. Berthole coin. Yeah, Berthole coin's my favorite of all of them. It has the power of flight. You can see through walls too. Yeah, AMC disappointment. The juju was just not enough. Yep, that is a stop out for sure. You would not. Your argument to not own the asset would be confirmed below 424. That happened on Friday, and now it's continuing to mark down, and it's currently trading at its lowest price since May 13th. And that would probably continue to at least 363. So yeah, it's a failed. It's unfortunately a failed trade. It got close. Target 1 was 578. We got as high as 558. So sometimes it's like that. It happens. But it was there was good price action that occurred before the markup to almost hit target 1. There's not enough demand. Crappy. And there you go. So yeah, you'd be out. You wouldn't own this right now. Nope, no reason to own it. Plenty of reason to not own it right now. Claudio. But hey, good news. Bitcoin's 107.1 right now. All-time highs. Here we go. Fresh all-time highs. Or we just rivaled the highest level ever, which is 107.175. We did it, man. Board Rec 2. Yeah, there you go, man. It happens sometimes. Yep, very bad, boys. Very, very bad. I wonder if they M-shape it here. I wonder if, like, this is the M-shape and they type to it. Yeah, disappointment. Give it a shot, but hey. They can't all be Teslas and GMs. Man, look at GM. Look at GM. Just went nuts. Yeah, it's obviously been correcting, pulling back some, but still. Not a big deal. Okay, we gotta go back to Bitcoin. I'm sorry, chat. This is the Bitcoin stream. I'm not here. This is not a regular stream. This is a Bitcoin all-time high stream at 12:30 p.m. Eastern. If you're enjoying this coverage early, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thank you for being here. I'm sure there are a few y'all here, but it's not a regular time, so probably less than normal. What we got? I don't even know. My YouTube dashboard always crashes now. Nothing else crashes, just YouTube. So weird. Okay, we got about 1,000 people here, nearly 352 likes. Let's get 500 likes, man. Why not? Because Bitcoin, look at it, man. Look at it. Oh, would you look at that? No, we did the We Call Them Poor most recently. When Hey Song, meh. Maybe when we're at 107, 175. How about that? Or 176. We're not even close, dude. We're so far away. Your girlfriend is asking how to buy MicroStrategy. Oh boy. Oh boy. You missed it, but it doesn't mean you won't get it again, especially if Bitcoin continues to ascend like this. While altcoins just don't do crap. They're just lagging. It's big meh. Big freaking meh. Across this altcoin market, I mean, a ton of altcoins are just red today. Okay, yeah, I mean, we don't have like a broad market rally going on. We just have Bitcoin. That is it. I don't know what that means. Oh my god. So there's a scam thing that I have to deal with. Now it's like every day. These scammers create a crypto scam name, and then they have a bunch of bots that will go in my comments of my YouTube live stream when it becomes a VOD, and they will just shill it like they're trying to, hey man, like some unsuspecting victim will read my comments and be like, dude, that scam coin seems legit. A lot of people are talking about it. And I have to hide everyone. I have to go in and like literally ban the word. Oh, it's so annoying, dude. Such a time waster. Because like even if you just ban the word on your YouTube, you still have to go in and delete all the effing comments of it. YouTube lacks intuitiveness. Oh my God, man. So many comments. It's okay, dude. We're not even close to all-time highs, chat. What are y'all freaking out about, huh? What's the problem here? The name is so stupid of the scam too. That's what I'm saying, man. Like, yeah, dude, oh yeah, you found your new crypto project? No, it's a scam, dude. They're all scams. Use TA, use the framework to manage your risk, stop losses. That's it, dude. That's the only way to play this market. Unless you want to get hawk to it. Good Lord. Sorry. We did it though. Hey, MicroStrategy, highs of day. New highs of day. 433.90 right there. Beautiful. Hey, son, not yet. Well, did we do it? We did do it. New all-time highs, chat. We did it. Wow, they snuck it by me. Snuck it by me. More of a quiet hey song. Just imagine, man. I can't even think about it. Like, there are so many people out there in the real world that don't even know what's happening right now. Like, think how much money we're making, that we've been making for so long. And there are just people out there that are like, it's not important, okay? Me working my 9 to 5 for the rest of my life until all my youth is gone, my ability to take care of myself, all of it's gone, until my usefulness as an employee is done. That's more important than caring about financial markets. Nah, it's not. Those people are wrong. Okay, they have a completely different outlook on life than I do, than y'all do. And guess what? Those people are your peers. Those are people you know. Those are your friends. They don't care. Escapism. They want to play video games in their free time. They want to watch Netflix in their free time. They just want to screw around. But dude, this was the ultimate hobby to take on when you were young. The ultimate one. Golf. Screw golf. Screw pickleball. Screw going to craft breweries and getting drunk, dude. Nah. Learning about financial markets, learning about traditional technical analysis, the framework. That was the way. And this is the revelation of that. We're just witnessing it. Bitcoin, though. Truly Bitcoin. You can go golf and trade too. Yeah, you can. I know. But you know, I'm just saying, man, a lot of people that play golf do not care about financial markets. But I guess probably more than any other hobby, people playing golf do care about financial markets, right? Because it is not a cheap hobby, right? So we're off those all-time highs now, but we have a fresh one just moments ago, 107, 240, 17. Yeah, I still just can't believe it. It's like people's energy on something else. And it's like, that's like, you're working hard. You could have just worked smart. Focused your energy and your efforts on like accumulating Bitcoin, understanding truly what it was. And the more you learn and understand about Bitcoin, the more conviction you have on owning it. Especially when it broke out of the bull flag. Come on, man. Up 60. What is it up now? Because I measured it. So up. Let's just say since the election, man, right? Since the election, Bitcoin is up 57% in 41 days. Just ridiculous, man. Okay. Yeah, I have to check out. I have a late checkout, so I'll be having to do that soon. Don't know what I'm going to do for the next 4 hours after, though, I check out. Because go to a coffee shop and start stream again or something? I don't know. Probably not. Can I hear the music? Because I can't. Yeah, it's a little quiet. No, no plane. No plane. Driving the M5 competition Batmobile. Okay, just a trip around Florida, man. Florida's like its own country, so I'm just doing the, you know, the countryside of Italy, but Florida, with my nice sports car. I'm currently somewhere in Orlando. Central Florida hype. I'd do a porch stream here, but I was gonna set up for it, but I spent too much time. I spent some time out there, and it was just like, nah, it's too loud. Too many people screaming, and too close to the ground. Not very high up here. No poker. No poker, man. Oh, is Ethereum going to break 4K again? That's good. I mean, because I own some Ethereum. Nice. It's starting to do some stuff. Nice. Very nice. Okay. So we're waiting on 4179, 4384. I think that's our targets from here. And we're looking at the 4 hours, like flagging. You know, it's a bull flag. Look at the breakout back test of flag. Excuse me. I don't really like when we get moaners on the music. Yeah, so well, we gotta go test 4,075, but if we are blessed enough to get that, probably gonna break. It's just, man, I wish we could just say, hey, dude, it's so like clear skies, but there are just overhead resistances we have to break, and there are multiple ones here. But again, I'm optimistic. I own Ethereum, decent amount of Ethereum, because I just know BNB's had its day, Solana's had its day. It really has. You know, Solana front ran all the others. I mean, it was performing really well, even against Bitcoin. Bitcoin's having its day right now. You think the second largest crypto in the world is not going to have its day? You're sadly mistaken, and you're going to find out. Loco Guido, I don't know, man. Probably not. That's so annoying, dude. So annoying. Like, Relia Quest Bowl. What a fart, man. What a slap in the face. Hey, you're not in the playoffs, and you're in the Relia Quest Bowl. Might as well be in the Motor City Butthole Bowl. Dude, why is this woman still moaning? Okay, I gotta change it, man. Yep. These alts will eventually have their days, just not today, because it is Bitcoin's day. If you care about Bitcoin ETFs, whatever, it's not really looking at much. But hey, look, man, IBIT, second largest holder of Bitcoin in the world. BlackRock, all-time highs. It's pretty sexy, right? $61. Closed on Friday at like 58 bucks, up 5.3%. Do you care about BitX, the 2-time levered ETF? Up 10%. Let's freaking go, man. All-time highs, of course. Yeah, all the ETFs doing things, man. Bitcoin's back 107.1. Eyeballing all-time highs again, man. Are we gonna do it? Remember, the current all-time high right now, 107.240.
Can we take a look at Motor City Butthole Bowl coin? On the daily, smiley face.
That's right, super smiley face, dude. But not really smiley face. Super ridiculous. SMU should have been in the Motor City Butthole Bowl, and they should have launched their own crypto scam of it. And that'd have been it, man. Okay. Thank you. So this, oh, okay, this is what we got going on. Interesting. Just messing with, you know, anchor points. Okay. So there's up against a supply line. Are we gonna break, man? So, okay, Bitcoin's not quite there yet, right? Bitcoin's own channel is like 109, 108.7, whatever. So we do the same thing for the ETF, though. Or this is the 2-time levered ETF, right? You're just like there. Wow, that's pretty. That's very, very pretty. Extend it. Very pretty. Where we are right now. No way they're breaking it. It'd be so crazy if we got to 108.9 and just broke it and went to 120. That would be similar to what we saw in 2017 when Bitcoin broke 10K. Went straight to 19,981 and it was all over. The blow off top. Didn't see those levels again for a very long time. DeMills, it pays a dividend? Yeah, but they also, there's decay and they take fees, man. So it's screw your dividend, you know. ETHU. Is that levered? All right, chat, we're about to be at all-time highs. Very close. Man, we just got to 107.2 again. Holy crap. Just patiently waiting together. I'm just going to have an alert set up on this. Holy crap. ETHU? I've never looked at that. That's okay. Yeah, man. If you wanted to be a rounder, if you wanted to be levered on the eventual Ethereum run, you could play this. I mean, the target from here is easily a gap fill at 1233, but 1259, the overhead resistance from July, multiple times. And if they break that, all-time highs. What the? Excuse me? I don't know what I just hit. Can y'all still hear me? Oh my God, did I just mess it up? Burger. Okay. Somehow my music stopped? What's going on? Interesting. I didn't even know this was a thing. Nice. So 5.53% today. But man, I'm telling you, yeah, Ethereum probably going to eventually, Ethereum U, 2-time levered, going to probably be at $16 and change soon. Yeah, leverage for ants. Well, this is the stock market, man. This is the boomer market. More moaning. Completely different set. And the first song has moaning in it. Could we just not? So one of my biggest pet peeves. I mean, there are some songs where, you know, women are singing, but moaning's different. It's like you're just, ooh. You just stop. It's not impressive. There's nothing about it that is talent. It's just moaning. No one cares. It's good to see altcoins, some altcoins starting to wake up a little bit. Yeah, way more than before. Doge starting to wake up 1.5%. Yeah, this is probably going to resolve to 45 cents again for another test. See, Ethereum's going for it. It is. All right, chat. Highs of day. I'm in the chat on Ethereum. Let's freaking go, man. Okay. Breaking that resistance from May. And soon to be testing that 4,090 high from March, okay? Yeah, that is a big deal. 4,078 there. You cannot deny the existence. It's just real. So you want to have an alert set up just above that because you hear the beat big. You're going to $4,400. And Bitcoin is just about to be at all-time highs again, man. So the thing is, no asks, no supply, clearly. Will we see 1088, 1089? Special K, no one knows. There's no way of knowing. I mean, all we can do is go by history to make guesses, but even those guesses mean nothing. They're weightless. One thing is a major structure, the coupled handle on the monthly, a 121 measured move, 121,000 measured move. That doesn't mean the cycle top or anything. That just means that is a way to target, especially when you're in price discovery. You have nothing else. You've exceeded the 1618. It was 102, but we have log scale. We can do log scale Fibonacci. Log scale Fibonacci. Let's do it. So we are now, so the 1272 in log scale is the 1618 in arithmetic. So we're now breaking through it, and so the target, the log scale target fib extension, the next one is the 1414, and it's $128,000. So I would just go with 121 for the measured move of the coupled handle. If you wanted to say log scale Fibonacci 128, and I'll just tell you this, all right? So we did the same thing back here. Okay, it was a big old symmetrical triangle, and the measured move, or not the measured move, but the golden mean ratio in log scale was the cycle top. From the high to the low, 1618 was 6569K. We double topped there on the weekly, and that was the end of the cycle. So if we did the exact same thing, okay, going by history, I'm not saying history is going to repeat itself, but if we did the same thing and the cycle was just going to top the exact same way it did of the last cycle, the conclusion, you know, like Fibonacci from December 2017 to December 2018 to get ourselves the golden mean ratio, the target would be $173,000, 173,000. Okay. I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm just saying that's log scale 1618. Okay. Oops, maybe I just go back to arithmetic. And in arithmetic, log scale 2618 is 155. Sure thing, man. You can do linear. You certainly can do linear. But you know, there are multiple ways to trade, man. Okay. Some people just use log. Some people use linear. The harmonic framework, range trading. I think arithmetic linear scale is good for it. Things get skewed with the harmonics in log scale. Okay, so, you know, just hanging out, man. They hit all-time highs, what, 10 minutes ago or so, and now we're just pulling back. 12:51 p.m. Eastern. If you're enjoying this early live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thanks so much for being here, everyone. There are probably only about 1,000 or less. Oh, what do we got? We got 1,134, y'all. Chat, we're so close to 500 likes. We could get 500 likes in seconds if you want it. So crazy. What a channel. How they respected it. Traders never settled up below the demand line. Held it, engulfed, and then it's just testing the heart line, then finally broke it, and then we back tested the heart line as support finally and accelerating. Hopefully we'll see the supply line of this channel now. 1088. But who knows? That's only like what? Oh my god, that's only $2,000 away. That could easily happen, but doesn't have to. Yeah, be sure to join the Discord if you haven't. The Discord link is pinned in the chat. Yeah, it's a very, very active, moderated community. We do not allow shilling or scams or anything like that. It is simply a resource for you to utilize. There's great source material in there if you're trying to get your feet wet and learn about traditional technical analysis. Traditional technical analysis is just a risk management tool. That is the way you should look at it. It's not for forecasting or predictions. I mean, that's grifting, okay? If you're new here and you're like, hey man, I kind of like what you're saying. If you care about what I'm saying at all and you're new, you will go to YouTube and you will listen to Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas, or you will buy his book and read it. That's what you will do. It has nothing to do with technicals, but it is the psychology that one must have if they're ever gonna succeed on financial markets. For real. Everyone in here who's new should be doing that, okay? And then you get back to me when you're done reading that, okay? What made fantastic, man? Please read it once, read it twice, read it thrice, okay, for me. If you like me, do it. Yeah, so we've kind of looked around. I mean, there's just not much going on in crypto. It is just Bitcoin and a couple coins, man. There's just nothing happening. It's like not exciting outside of this one, but you know, we're off the highs now. Could continue to push higher. Just maybe not right now, and that's how it goes. Hard being live for all of it. Yeah, we've been live 1 hour. 1 hour, okay, God, we're live 1 hour and 23 minutes now. Like button, bell, sub, join the Discord, all of the above. There's a mobile stream. Not home right now, haven't been home for few days and ready to get back for sure, but waiting on a rocket launch and all that. Oh my God, way later. Yeah, I probably won't get home till like probably like midnight or 1 a.m. Oh God. Just looking at these, man, they're just, ugh. Okay, yeah, Ethereum though, looking good, man. I love it, above $4,000. I do think it is gonna have its day, man. Its day, it's gonna go 5K, whatever. Wayne bad, some fake news. I actually have an insider, which is wonderful. Yeah, we already looked at XRP, but it's at 2.8%. It was up more earlier. They're trying to break out of this potential flag, but it could turn into something else. This isn't a real breakout, so we're above 292 or whatever. I'm just tired, man. Oh, look at the index funds if you want. You probably don't care. Here's your S&P. Sheesh, man. Just skating along up 0.5%, getting close to all-time highs. I mean, probably not gonna do it today, but probably this week, you know. But we have a lot of stuff, a lot of economic data being reported this week, so I don't know how that's gonna respond, but number go up continuously. Divergence be danged. Dow Jones continuing to correct. Wow, look at that. One green candles. Okay. NASDAQ composite, all-time highs. Jesus chimes, over $20,000. Killing it, man. You can thank Tesla for that. Some other big tech, not NVIDIA. Wow, man, this is crazy pumps. Remember, MicroStrategy being listed to the NASDAQ, what, Friday? It was announced. I don't know if it's happened all the way yet. Yeah, Fair and Open Market Committee today, Bank of Japan. Yep. Google is having a nice day. Well, no one's... Remember that you come out with a chip like they came out with, you're gonna get like crazy animal spirit price action. $200 on deck, you're at all-time highs. All-time highs on Google, chat. Jesus chimes. Have our alert set up there. Apple, all-time highs. Apple, Google, Tesla. Boom. That's why the NASDAQ's killing it. Microsoft been lagging today, I believe. Yeah, definitely been lagging. Look at that freaking shooting star. That's a killer. Killer shooting star. But still, no follow through. I mean, you had to follow the candle, but none yet. I mean, they could take it down to 433 for a back test and it'd still be wonderful. I think this one's going to go way higher eventually. Meta. I mean, hit all-time highs on Wednesday. And just been kind of flat since then, but insane. Just absolutely insanity. Bitcoin's back over 107.1, chat. My God. Again, we already looked at NVIDIA, but we can look again. Maybe it's recovered some. A little bit. Not much. I'm trying to break it down, but hard to trust these. This is why you have no expectations, even if it's a beautiful structure. They could fake you out. Like, it could close above the neckline and start rallying and then invalidate it back above 146 soon. So we're looking at it. It's a pretty structure, but we're not acting like we think we know it's going lower. Okay, that's our mentality here. All right, backed holdings. This is kind of crazy, man. Okay, very beautiful M shape. Remember, but this one above 26 to 28 bucks. This one has max upside. I mean, this is a $50 target, and it's undeniable. Or if not, 45. Okay, backed holdings. There are rumors of things that I've heard about from people that I can't talk about. Okay, things happening. Yeah. So $50 target here on backed holdings. Okay. Yeah. Imagine ignoring the M shape here. Shoot, dude. You know, you would have a stop probably 26.50 or something. Let this thing ride. A lot higher. Hype music? No, we're not hype music till we're like at 107.2, man. We did the 107.1 hype music already on the stream. So fib extension on MicroStrategy. That, yeah, maybe log scale. Still at the highs pretty much of the day. This looks beautiful. I hear moaning, but it sounds really good. This is just like a dragon, kind of, if you use your imagination. I think an 886 takes you to like 520, 525. Target up there. They break it. Oh my God, we're going into crab territory, which is the sixes. Shoot, dude. 886, 520. 1272, 600 bucks. 1414 is 628.90. The golden mean ratio would be 670. So let's not get ahead of ourselves. Those would be targets short term if this thing was gonna, you know, actually ever get back up to that November 2020 or that November 21st high. Oh my God, all-time high. Yeah, boss is gonna be watching their mouths today. They better be. So there's gonna be having a lot of job applications they're gonna be looking at. That's right. And they're having a good day, but oh, look at the chart. It's just no fresh highs. Yeah, man, there's just nothing here, right? Go back 2000, it was 333, and you're just up here now. La La Land. Yeah, dude, why have a job, man, when you can just degen MicroStrategy, right? Or Bitcoin, man. I guess I'll just get cracked out on this coffee. I gotta check out in less than an hour now, so just letting y'all know. My time with y'all is limited, but hopefully the time spent together has been of the utmost quality. Faramir vibes. We would not use the One Ring unless at the end of utmost need. I don't know, man. I'm crazy, dude. Sometimes, so sorry. Barricade the door. Yeah, I'm not sure that would work out very well, man. Oh, Etsy. Man, Etsy, dude. The extension's still running. Highest level since August 1st. Nice, but still a woeful downtrend.
What about micro USDT? Can you please chart this coin?
Fahad, what's up, dude? Sure. Micro GBT. Sounds like a nice name for a scam. Guess you don't care what it's on the butthole exchange. Nice. Nothing to look at, man. What do you want me to do here? Oh, it's like uptrend, I guess, since it got listed November 20th. Wow, dude. Like, there's nothing I can do to help scam me. I don't know. Like, it's new. There's no data. Like, I cannot apply traditional technical analysis to something with such little data. And when I say traditional technical analysis, I mean risk management tool. I cannot apply a risk management tool to something like this. So I appreciate the contribution, and thank you for your first contribution ever. And don't don't be like upset, but that's like what I do, man, is like people are contributing to the stream because they invest in themselves and they learn the framework that I teach every day on this stream, except for pump days, because it's really hard to teach on pump days because we're going crazy. We're monitoring the price together. That's the fun part. That's the icing. The cake, though, is when you're investing in yourself and you're learning how to identify the edge on the market. An edge on the market would be something like Tesla right here, where you identify the momentum shift, right, back into the hands of the buyers, the confirmation low, one low, the second low, then the rally, then the valley, the recapturing of that 180 level, then that bullish back test of the key level as support. That right there, man, That is what triggered me to not just go long myself, but to post a trade setup with the stop loss somewhere slightly below that level, because you wouldn't want to own it below that level. Such a very real inflection point from 2021. That is why you have the stop loss below that level. So optimum risk management, max upside, minimal downside if it failed, and the huge run. The third target, the exit of the trade, was literally 259.95, based on the fact that it reversed violently there multiple times. So 1, 2, 3. It was one of the best trades of the year. But then look what it did. It round tripped back to the entry. You can't even believe it. That's traders stuff, man. And eventually, we think long-term hold, and long-term hold's playing out. Look at it. It's up 5.63%. So that's what we teach here. How to identify edges on the market. All right, here we go. Bitcoin 107,173. That's right, Special K. That's the only time where you can learn, because right now it's like we're busy covering the pumps, man. The pumps of the markets. It's beautiful. MicroStrategy up 6+% now. Good Lord. So take it like MST is up 12%. I'm a changed man. Bonsai fan, I'm a changed man. Well, you're free to watch anyone you want. If you want to watch a grifter, that sold his soul for money constantly over and over and over, you're free to do that, We are not the same, right? Me and other people, content creators, are not the same at all. Comcast, I can't imagine it, man. Especially at this point, it's just so insane.
How's Intel looking? Asking for a friend.
INTC. We'll look at it. Thank you, man. Nah, man. No. I'm good. Trend's terrible. There's no evidence that of anyone conducting a buying campaign on this. They have just bearishly back tested a key support as resistance. Very, very bearish price action. I would not own this. There's no reason to own this. Because it's not just because it could go up. It's because there are assets out there that are better. You could own other assets that are in better trends, better price action, positive price action correlation to key levels.
Not a job when you love what you do. Can you check out Pepe? Thanks.
Crypto Angel, thanks so much for 25. We can look at Pepe coin. It's kind of been not doing too great, not too hot after that huge pump and then dump, So we'll look at it for sure. Yeah, Intel, this is not a trend you're looking at. I mean, you could get an exhaustion pump or something. Yeah, I mean, you're down here almost oversold, but the fact that you had bearish divergence at this resistance and it played out like that just shows that the sellers are still kind of in control of this asset. So there's no evidence that buyers have control of this asset. Buyers have no momentum yet. They will eventually. At some point there will be evidence of that, but just not right now. Yeah, I look at this and say I'd rather own something else. I'd rather own something in a massive uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Bullish backtest of key levels from history as support. Not once, but twice locally. Oh, hidden bullish divergence in that context. That's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for assets that look like this. It doesn't matter if it rallies next. Okay, thank you, dude. Yeah, we can look at Pepe coin. Have the chat for Pepe. Old Pepe. Oh, it's oh, that flag, it broke out. It's still holding above the flag. My God, man. It's probably turning to something else maybe, but they're holding on, right? What was once an all-time high resistance is acting as support for like a week now. Let me show you. So just for a second, forget the flag that's also being tested, you know, support. It's that. They're trying to regard what was once resistance, it is now support. So as long as they stay above the 234, 364 level, long enough, given enough time, I mean, you probably will rally to all-time highs again. Okay, so what's a harmonic? A harmonic pattern, it's a geometric chart pattern that traders use to predict future price movements and identify trends. They are created plotting Fibonacci retracements and extensions on a chart to identify potential price changes and trend reversals. Momentum shifters, momentum killers. They oftentimes present themselves at the conclusion of a selling campaign, or if it's the end of a buying campaign, the W shapes, right? The bearish harmonics will present themselves. So that's what harmonics are. That is advanced traditional technical analysis, right? The basics, though, I think you should learn a lot. You should learn the rudimentary aspects of Fibonacci itself and what each fib node, first how to plot it, how to understand it. After you plot it, understand which each fib node represents. Master Fibonacci, and then you can start learning about harmonics. I think that's the best way to do it. Well, harmonics identified in the right context, and if they're identified properly with the right extensions or the right Fibonacci retraces and extensions of the harmonic, you're identifying appropriately. They have very high probability outcome, very high. You give yourself a substantial edge, but then you throw in the type 2 return, the edge increases. Then you get volume signatures, U-shape, right? Then you get bullish backtest of key levels with the harmonic on the context, bullish divergence on the type 2 return. Well, you can just start increasing your odds substantially, the congregation of variables. And that's what I try to teach here. So Bitcoin is at 107, 190 right there. I mean, we are approaching all-time highs again, and it is 1:14 p.m. Eastern. If you're enjoying the stream, hit the like button, the bell, the sub. Thanks for being here. Over 1,000 of y'all still here. Holy crap. Almost a 600 likes, so we're like 6 likes away from 600. We could do that, man. Look at this, man. Here we go. Here we go. Was that? Nope, not yet. Almost all-time highs, chat. Okay.
What do you do with the Bitcoin besides it just gather value?
Real estate developers in New York City.
230, 240, all-time highs, chat. All-time highs. Hype of the chat. 248, 253, 272, 308, 374.
Currency.
I bet all-time
As a
highs.
store of value. We call them poor. We call them poor. People.
Chat, we did it again. We got a pump stream.
Currency. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
Let's get some hype in the chat, man. I don't know what to tell you.
There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay? Right? Like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as
Forever, Laura.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor.
It's artwork, man.
People that use fiat.
We're just up there, man. Are we gonna make it? Are we gonna make it to 108.8 today? Are we gonna hit the supply line of the channel? Man, at this pace, maybe. All-time highs I'm speaking to you right now. 379, never before seen. 389, never before, 394, 397. 400, 1074, never before seen, just happened. Less than a second ago, my God. There it is again. We're just sitting at all-time highs right now. 475, 480, new all-time highs. Chat, I hope you have proper allocation to this asset. You had unlimited opportunities for 8 months. 8 months. And to be a no-coiner, I just don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to say. I thought we were friends, I'll just tell you that. Fresh all-time highs. Right now we're 107,490 is the highest level we've ever seen. We're about $60 off from that right now. Got Bitcoin up not even 3% today. All right, we were $1 off the all-time high. I have to go to the bathroom. Oh my God, this coffee's running through me. I'm getting jacked on caffeine. Yeah, so if you don't know, you're probably all interested to know. Scott Carney and me, we will be having a Miami meetup in the next, probably in January sometime. I'm not sure when, but we haven't scheduled it yet. But just maybe start thinking about accommodations and flying into Miami sometime in January. Offshoot chances in February, but I think January. I gotta talk to him. Chat, 107.5 all-time highs right effing now. That's it. That's our new all-time high. Testing it again, 107.5, 0 cents. That is the number to beat. Be Sonic, man. Thank you, dude. Hope you're enjoying this this pump. Thank you for supporting this community, man. What we try to teach here. This is just the revelation of it all. All right, now we go. We're a little off. Okay. Wow, man. 107.5. That's the top, right, chat? Oh, it's got to be there. Nah, no way, man. Here we go. About 60 bucks off. Whew. Oh my God, man, this is crazy. Absolutely crazy. No asks, no supply. It's all been purchased by Michael Saylor. Remember, he announced this weekend, we know he bought over $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. On cost basis on that purchase was over $100,000. It was $100,083. And it was announced this morning at 8 a.m. as he does. He'll cryptographically announce we need more green dots, and that means that he bought more. So very, very close, man, to a new high again. On a 7462, man, I have to go to the bathroom. Come on, Bitcoin, pull back just for my bathroom break. We got 1,100 people here. Thank you for being here. This abnormal stream time. Big Mike, oh my god, hop in the chat. Let's freaking go, man. Let's go.
Big Mike 886 tipped $150. Miami meetup will be insane. Join the Citadel to be on the winning team.
Thank you, Big Mike, man. The 150 and the Citadel Patreon advocacy. Thank you, man. You know, people's lives have changed from the education they have received in the Citadel/Patreon, from the trade setups, you know, just that's the fish, but I'm trying to teach you how to fish, you know, show them my work, how it goes, and thank you, man, for giving me a chance. And because you gave me a chance, your life changed forever, right? And people will give all kinds of people chances. People gave BitBoy and all these other people chances. There's the all-time high, 107,642, chat. 732. We're pumping 107.7. Marking up currently as I'm speaking to you. $107,735. The fresh all-time high is $107,751. Okay? We have a new all-time high. Win bathroom. Win bathroom, dude. Win freaking bathroom break. I'm gonna have to like do it now, man. This is crazy. Y'all give me 1 second. I'm bathroom. I'll be right back. Get this coffee out of me so I can drink more. Like button, bell, sub, all-time highs. If there's no hype in the chat, I don't know what to tell you. This is crazy. Check your portfolio, dude. It's super green. It's gonna change to like blue or something.
I just want some justice for what has been done to Peanut Coin the past week.
Hello? I have returned. I checked my portfolio. All-time highs on the portfolio. I hope it's the same for you, chat. Good God. What a friggin' day. Bitcoin's only up 3%. You kidding me? That is super mild, man. Can y'all hear me? Audio check. Are we okay on the levels here? Steven, we don't need to do anything, but thank you. Ronald Grump, 3%, that'd be CPI inflation, not monetary inflation. Monetary inflation is like 14% every single year. Your cash loses 14% of its value. That's real. CPI is bullcrap. There's nothing to do with you and your money in your bank account. And we're just chilling, man, at 107,680. Less than $100 away from all-time highs. Again. Is there anyone, and are there any no coiners in this chat right now? We got, you know, about 1,172 people here. Any no coiners amongst us? Let me know if you don't have any Bitcoin, man. No, I'm talking about, you know, not... Okay, we just hit an all-time high. All-time high, chat. 107, 754, we made it by like $3. But it's fresh. Freshly squeezed all-time high. $762, all-time highs. Oh my God, man. All-time highs. 107,777, 107,819 right there. 107,832, 838. New all-time high. Again.
You are THA best.
Bitchy Bunzai. Oh, thanks for the 629 contribution, man. Ethereum Classic in the jar. Thanks, man. No, Bitcoin is the best. I'm just hanging out. You know, we're just having a good time, man. But really appreciate the kind words. All right. Who is selling? No one's selling. You kidding? What do you mean? Who's selling? Look at it. Look at the price. We've never been here before. You're Potter, you're no coiner? Ooh, man. Oh, my dong. Gabagool over here. This is wild. 107,835. Very close to all-time highs. Very, very close. About 20 bucks, 25 bucks from all-time highs. There's just not much to be said when we have price action like this. So you just bask in the music, the community, the chat pump, the price pump. You know, I announce like when we get new all-time highs, I'll say that. But man, it's just the less said, the better during these moments. What I've learned. All right, we're calming down a little bit. Surely they can't take it higher than they have. They can't take it higher than 107,857.79. Can they, chat? No, I don't think so, man. All right, back to the 777s. Holy crap. Super lucky, man. If you're enjoying this pump, this extended stream, we've been live now for 2 hours, officially 2 hours. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you like hanging out here, if you like enjoying Bitcoin Make History. If you love traditional technical analysis, if it's changed your life, you know, in a positive way, whatever, just do it, man. Like button, bell, sub, join the Discord. That's it. That's all you gotta do. MSTU up 13%. Let's go, dude. I haven't heard any MicroStrategy beeps, though. I'm surprised, right? You figured it would continue to climb, but with this, it is at the highs of the day. I guess my alert went off and I never established a new one, so 130 or 439.99. I'll have a new one. Yep, 6.69%. Beautiful, man. It's been a long time coming. Yes, indeed. Yeah, man, this is just like takes me back to all the other cycle tops, or all the all-time highs, all the Hay songs. These songs are timeless. But hopefully not too loud right now. Okay, got less than 30 minutes till I gotta check out of this hotel, meaning I gotta turn the stream off, man. It sucks. What happens when we break the channel? Don't get cocky, kid. We hadn't broken the channel. We got to run to 108.9. Just enjoy the trumpet. All right, man. So we're off the highs, but that's okay, man. Got an alert set up. If we do test it again, I'm gonna try to stay live as long as I possibly can. Check on iBit. Where is it at? iBit 6135 all-time highs, of course.
Super S coin dollar Moodang on 4 hour forming a bottom.
Mooding? Oh my god, not Mooding, chat. Oh my. Ew, my little baby hippo, man. Ugh. Don't touch me. I'm a baby hippo. I'm gonna try to eat you. Mooding. Mooding is now on Coinbase. Yeah. Which one we look at? I can't remember. I think it was Mex. No, maybe not. Mooding spot. I don't know, man. Where do we? Oh, wait. Thank you, dude. Maybe, I don't know. Gosh dang, Mooding. Yeah, dude. I don't know what exchange. I never know what exchange because no one ever tells me. They're just like, good luck. Hey, go look at this. Perpetual contracts. No Mooding spot. And if it's Mooding spot, there's no data. Oh, look, it's Mooding, man. Get him. Put them. Down with mooting. All right, 107.7 again on Bitcoin. It's beautiful, man. I can't even see what's happening. But mooting should have his, you know, butt slapped like in the YouTube video that made him go viral. I don't know what to do, man. Like, you're asking me. Bro. I don't know what to tell you, dude. Oh my god. We're just gonna do this one. We're gonna start over, I guess. I mean, that's really the level. Yeah, it's real funny, dude. You hear him laughing. I mean, yeah, I guess above 28 cents is okay. It's okay above those levels. Thank you for Bob Buoys. Maybe they're trying 1 and 2. They're trying to confirm a bottom, but hey, how's mooting doing against Bitcoin? Everything's doing bad against Bitcoin. I don't know, man. I'm just not that interested in mooting coin, but yeah, it could certainly, someone can start a trading plan if they wanted. They could try anyway. Yeah, above 34.6 cents. But it's just a mega zone, so we could go way lower and go to like the bottom of the zone and still kind of be okay down at 27.7 cents. Meh, 107.5 on Bitcoin. They are. Hippos kill more humans.
How about new?
Thank you, Dr. Evil. Yeah, hippos kill more people in Africa than any other animal. We're talking about vertebrae. You know, I'm not talking about mosquitoes. Yeah, mosquitoes kill more animals than anyone ever, including all humans in wars. So, yeah, but hippos more deadly than lions and tigers. You name it, man. Let's say mooting was gonna recover. If it was gonna bounce here, which it's been sitting here since December 10th, since December 9th, and hasn't really gone anywhere. But if it did, if the bid started coming in, you'd have a 62-cent target. That's it, okay? Mooting's in the chat. Wow, riveting stuff. What's up? Let's go back to Bitcoin. Sorry, dudes. Almost had an ant.
Only aggressive people conquer the world.
See, I turn off the overlay and it still plays. It's really weird. Really weird. Good lord. Dies of cringe, that one. Alligators are scared of like many things. Synth wave wizard, dungeon synth wizard, tripping and falling inside the channel like Bitcoin. If Bitcoin was to run just to the top from where it is right now, you still have about 1.2% upside. 1 point, that's nothing. That's like $1,300, which could easily be done. Why not, man? Let's just do it. Like that's what happens when heartlines break. The consequences of the heartline. Look, it's so beautiful. You can just see the sheer validity of it. Resistance, resistance. It's only just resistance. They can't ever. Oh, they're above it. Well, yeah, but scan below it. You know, like, oh yeah, back to the demand line. Oh, we've actually broken. Oh, we back tested it, confirmed it as support for the first time, like literally ever. Since with this channel, you know, I mean, we're saying since November 11th, right? All this data, it's support, and now it's accelerating. And it's like, why not 1087, 1088, you know? Yeah, late checkout. That's the reason why I'm here, man. If it wasn't for late checkout, I'd be not able to stream this. I'm glad I was. This is a 2 hour, 10 minute, 2 hour, 11 minute live stream now. Enjoy that. If you're enjoying it, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. If you're enjoying the fact the hotel giving me a 2 p.m. checkout, late checkout, definitely want to hit that like button. We're just covering history, my portfolio all-time highs.
Salt, so salty.
Thank you, New Surret guy. Thank you, dude. I'll be getting some of that when I get back to Miami, that's for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you for the Kool-Aid. Dude, I'm getting cracked out on coffee. Like hyped on crypto, cracked out on coffee. It's the new stream, okay? 1 hour, 15 minutes till this 4 hour close. If you don't know, the last 4 hour candle was an all-time high, the highest close we'd ever seen. Since before the dinosaurs, actually. So I'm just kind of hanging out now, for real, dude, because Bitcoin's doing stuff, but the altcoins aren't really doing anything, man, at all. Like, they're just, hey, Ethereum's up a little bit. It's creeping, you know, creeping. Yeah, 4,000. Okay, let's go, dude. Ethereum's actually, okay, oh my God, did we do it? Not yet. I'm having an alert set up. When we do it.
Thank you. That is all I require.
Alright, yeah. If we hear an alert, if we hear the Butler bell, it will be the highest price seen since 2021. It is upon us, chat. The moment of truth is here, is nigh. That will be like 4,099. What did we get to? December 6th. It was, yeah, 4,096. In 0 cents. Oh. Sorry, that music stopped. Okay. You're just still at 107.6. This is crazy, man. Ethereum playing catch up. Ethereum is now outperforming Bitcoin, if you can believe it, on the day. Bitcoin's up 3%. Ethereum's up 3.19%. And soon to be making multi-year highs soon. Crazy. But actually not. And we've discussed this. You've been warned. Even saying, oh man, you missed Bitcoin. I've just been screaming about Ethereum now. It's like, because this one's going to have its run. It's going to be over 5,000, most likely. The probability is high. This is how these market dynamics work, dude. Okay, it's like they keep repeating themselves. They Leroy Jenkins, man. And look at this, 3.23%, highs of the day right now. Highest high we've seen since the 6th. So 10-day highs on Ethereum. Closing in on multi-year highs, though. Make sure this alerts. Yep, we're good. Yep. Wow. Incredible. Incredible. While all the lesser thans, smaller cap coins do nothing, the big boy is running 1 and 2. BNB's up a little bit, up 1.1%. Meh. Solana down 1.69%. Off the lows, though, at least. 4,092. We are inching closer and closer to multi-year highs. That was 4,094 right there. We're like $5 off now, man. Ethereum is beginning to steal the show. Not for that. Here we go. Multi-year highs on Ethereum, chat. It is confirmed. It is confirmed. Ethereum highest levels since December of 2021. If you don't hype in the chat, get wrecked. There you go, man. We did it. I'd say that's not bad. All right. I'm glad I was here for that. I'm glad, I mean, you know, like I'm running out of time. Yeah, I got to get out of here in 12 minutes. Shoot, 11 minutes now, and I got that. That's really nice for the stream, you know? Spain on.
Anonymous tipped $25. Can you peep at band 2 weeks super fast? The last candle was a crazy green doji.
Yeah, long-legged doji. They couldn't break it out. It looks good, man. Like double bottom, you know. If they're able to break $2 and it's real, which it wasn't real last week, if they're able to do it, $2.77, then $3.82, $4. Yeah. Yep. That's it. On breakout watch again, have your alert set up about a little over $2. $2.03, good alert. You hear that beep, you're breaking out. There you go, boom. Contribution done. Like, what am I supposed to do now? That was it. There you go. I wish there was more to talk about. You asked for the 2 week. I'm at the 2 week. You talked about this candle. I'm talking about the long-legged doji or spinning top, which is, you know what they say about spinning tops. You never know which way they're going to land. Could resolve up. So, but again, supply at a level where there would be supply, $2. If they're able to break it, huge upside potential, 268 to 277. If they break that, 380 to $4. Wham, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Bitcoin 2 week chart. Oh my God. Look at that. Good God. Blue pull, bull flag, measured move. Oh yeah. Absurdity. All right, so we're off those highs now, you know, by hundreds of dollars. Hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Yeah, you probably are anchoring on the top end. I'm just having it on the bottom end, like it's 1 and 2 and 3. Good price action here with the candles not ever closing below it. That's just kind of how I've had it, you know. And even still, I could have made it like that, and then it's still not touching. So you got the candle closes touching, right? And you have a wick here touching, and even still, if I was like that, you still got a little more, 108.6, 108.550. Still a little bit more upside the way I have it plotted, but whatever, man. This is price discovery. This is the best we got, you know, right now. Health wealth gurus, dude. I'm sorry. Is there a your S coin strategic reserve being adopted by the leaders of the free world? America? No, they're not. Okay. There's Ethereum, highs of day, highs of years, highest level since December 2021, 3.58%, outperforming Bitcoin by a lot now. Okay. We saw $4,104 at these new highs, taking out the peak from December 6th, taking out the peak from March, and here we are, December 2021. There it is. Chat, I mean, maybe 4150, but really 4378 is kind of your next target if this is a real move. If we're going to run higher, 4378 target, okay? There you go. That's it. VeChain's decimated and won't move. You must have FOMO'd in, dude. What is wrong? What the heck? Who would say that? Yeah, bro. Let's look at the weekly and let's look at VeChain. Yeah, VeChain just really... I was screaming. You weren't watching this stream, obviously, to say that, because this is when you entered between 2 and 2.5 cents. You literally had a couple months. All right, Ethereum continuing to push higher, multi-year highs, 4109 now, and climbing. To say what you're saying means you don't give a crap about this market. You got ushered in here by greed and greed alone. You didn't give a crap about technical analysis. You didn't care about the M-shapes. That I was here, 600 people watching every day. Low concurrent viewership, 600, 700, 600, 700, every day. Okay, guys, this is it. This is it. Okay, bullish back test, completion of the M-shape took a year to develop. Hello, this is the comment, the VeChain comment. What are you doing? How would you say that? It's like offensive. I'm like offended that you're talking about VeChain that way. When this thing, from its pattern completion zone, especially even after the bullish engulfing candle, it went up 216% in 28 days. What the heck is wrong with you? Get wrecked, dude. Like, whatever. I'm here every day for free covering this stuff, and you're just not here because you don't give a crap about it when it's down here at actionable, reasonable entry levels. You only care up here. You're buying up here. What's wrong with VeChain? Nothing's wrong. VeChain's going to 10 cents eventually, 13 cents eventually. But you don't have the patience to hold it. You'll sell it before it does that. Yeah. No more words. No more words. Unreal. YouTube chat crashed again, man. Oh, Bitcoin's off its sides, you know. About to get kicked out of this hotel. I don't know. The music stopped. What the? Well, it doesn't matter now because I gotta go, but I think you killed the music, dude. That was so bad that the music was destroyed. Well, Natch, yeah, they want it now. They can get wrecked. I don't care. I'm done with it. I'm done. Do what you want. Pull the plug. I did everything I could. I tweeted about this stuff. Tweeted on my Twitter. Ping everyone every day during these moments. GRT, another one. Like, what do you want, dude? Down here, this is it. 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 And it's pulling back a couple weeks now, and it's probably going to go to 50 cents eventually. Goes up 200% in a month. Okay, I'm getting kicked out in 4 minutes, so I'm gonna have to end this stream, unfortunately, chat. You know I'd stick around if I could, but I gotta go, man. So thank y'all so much for coming out. Maybe we'll see 108 later, but not for now. So thanks everyone for the likes, love, support, contributions, everything in between. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub on the way out. Join the Discord that is pinned in the chat above right now if you haven't. That's crazy to not be in our Discord. I'll ping people on all kinds of crazy stuff. You know I do. That you don't know. You're like, dang, I didn't know that. Oh, that's a valuable ping that I have received from Mitch. I'm glad I'm in this Discord. Yeah, that's why you join the Discord. You get notified when I go live too, because you'll miss streams like this. So thanks for being here. I'll be back. Till next time, respect the T.